Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Waze account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Waze account, then the process is quite simple. Open up your Waze application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage of Waze, tap on My Waze at the bottom left. From the expanded menu, tap on the gear button at the top left, and this will open up your settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll down until you see account and login option and tap it on. Scroll all the way down from this page until you see the delete account button in red and give it a tap. It says that once you delete your Waze accounts and your Waze carpool accounts, you won't be able to access your navigation history, rank, credit, saved location, or carpool profile and balance. To continue deletion, tap continue. Now, confirm your deletion by tapping on delete both accounts option at the bottom and again tap on delete Waze accounts again. Wait for a few seconds and you have successfully deleted your Waze account and your Waze carpool accounts. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.